Good day. I am part of history. I am Raymond Lofranco, 22 years old, born in San Isidro, Inabanga, Bohol, and currently living in Inabanga, Bohol. I am third year student taking a Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation. My hometown is not only a peaceful municipality in Bohol, it is also part of Philippine history. Bohol is known for the historic revolt led by Francisco de Gojoy, which became the longest rebellion against Spanish rule in the Philippines. His courage showed that even people from small towns can stand up for freedom and justice. As marine transportation student, I am connected to our country's maritime identity. The Philippines has a rich seafaring history, from the arrival of Ferdinand Magellan to today's Filipino seafarers who sail across the world. Soon I will also represent my country at the sea. It is important to study Philippine history because it teaches us our identity, our struggles, and our responsibilities as a citizens. As students, history guides our values as part of the nation. It reminds us to continue building a better Philippines. I am not just a student, I am part of Philippine history.